This is a wireless headset. I'm going to do a quick unboxing video for you here. So you can see it comes in a really nice box. The box was wrapped in plastic wrap, which is fantastic. And here is what it comes with. So you can see this is covered in plastic, which is nice. I like that it's so well protected. Comes with a nice little user's manual here, as well as the headset itself. And then a charging cable, which is great. And then the headset itself looks really nice. It's got the microphone that pulls down, feels really nice and sturdy, which is great. This is nice and padded, feels good. And this over here on this side is able to kind of move around a little bit to if you need it to get comfortable, which is great. And then it's got a few buttons here. It's got the power and the volume, which is great. And then on the side here, it's got another button that I believe is the mute button, which is just fantastic if you're needing to mute quickly. So if you're looking for a nice wireless headset, I think this is a great option.